What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and Tonic fam, Crow fam, I'm back with another Tonic video for you guys, man. Tonic, 29,389 people has Tonic on their watch list, trading sideways, still in that crab market around $9,579,000 and 113k in 24-hour trade volume, up 100%. The trade volume is up. Few people scooping up Tonic, guys. I know it, man. It's only a matter of time for this project to absolutely blast off, and we're gonna cover the potential Binance listing that could happen for Tonic in the future. If this is something that you're interested in, Meme Coin Daily 1,240 subscribers. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you hold Tonic. I'll do my best to keep covering Tonic on the channel on a consistent basis. And remember, guys, supporting these videos could get them into the algorithm and get new eyes on the project, right? Support content creators because it will definitely help the project. Think of it as free marketing, right? Get new eyes out on the project. It helps the project get new people interested in Tonic, and help the Tonic community to grow. That's what we're aiming for the Tonic community, the Tonic project, the price to grow. Tonic, one of the heavy hitters for the Cronos blockchain, no doubt in my mind about that, as CRO goes up and hits its parabola, which it will, up 2.63% right now, guys. Up 2.63%, doing pretty well as always, man. This Crow is not going anywhere. Crypto.com not going anywhere. The only place it'll be going is up. The only place it'll be moving is to the upside and growing, mass adoption, more and more people using Crypto.com and joining the Cronos ecosystem and interacting with the dApps on the Cronos ecosystem, trading the Cronos project, and the top heavy hitters of the Cronos blockchain, right? That's the only place it's going, to the upside. Now, when we research crypto, we are dealing with probabilities and thoughts from a logical and psychological perspective. It only makes sense when Crow is going into its parabola and making a huge run to new all-time highs. Once again, the projects on its ecosystem, especially the top projects like Tonic, will go to their parabola once again and go to new all-time highs. I've covered in my previous videos, there's a blow-off top. TA, a lot of analysts and TA experts predict a blow-off top for the stock market and the crypto market because of deflation. The Fed has raised interest rates too fast, too much at a rapid pace, right? Inflation is coming back down. That is great, but inflation is gonna fall super fast. We may go into a recession as well, guys. Don't rule that out. But before that takes place, everything is lining up. Let me go back to the Tonic chart real quick, guys, so you guys can see. Everything is lining up like it's destined, like you can't make it up. 2024 is the Bitcoin halving, and trust me, the whales, the big money in the space, they're buying before the halving. Think of it as the hugest buy the rumor, sell the news event. Everyone already knows before the halving, there's a run up to the upside. The bull market starts, and then months after the halving, we hit our peak cycle, and then the big whales start dumping on everyone's heads, right? Follow the money. Don't be exit liquidity for the big whales. Accumulate now. Now is the time. Now is the time to DCA into your best projects. We could go lower. Who cares? You're DCAing in. You're being smart. Now is the time. When things start to turn around, you don't want to be left out. You don't want to miss that train, guys. I'm telling you, you don't want to miss that train when Tonic starts sending like crazy. So, a lot of people, like I said, a lot of TA experts are predicting a blow off top stock market going to all-time highs, Bitcoin going to all-time highs, and then we have this huge recessionary dump, because that's when the recession happens. So everyone that's an investor right now, that's DCAing in, accumulating, you're gonna have protection against the recession, the coming recession, because you scooped up some tonic at the lows. That's what crypto was created for. It fights against inflation and recession and, you know, hits to the economy. Everyone, now people are saying, well, why didn't Bitcoin go up when inflation was going up? Because everyone got their bags in 2021. Everyone that bought in 2020, 2019, they chilling when they sold in 2021. You know, you think they worried about inflation right now? Nah, they're not. So guess what? Everybody who buying in at the end of 2022 going into 2023, y'all chilling in 2024. Tonic is one of those projects that could run super fast, super hard. $10 million in market cap, 10x, 100x, 400x, like I explained in my previous video. You can't rule it out at all, right? Anything is possible in crypto, especially if the experts that I follow are correct, you know, especially if we go through deflation. Tonic, once again, one of the unique DeFi projects in the space. Total supply $279 million, total borrowed $123 million. So you guys know the numbers are there. You know, the next wave of trends in the space more than likely will be DeFi, because the whales, because what Sam Bankman-Fried did was so detrimental to the space. But this was a cause of centralized finance and exchange, a centralized exchange, right? That's the only reason so many people lost so much money through FTX. They were focused on CeFi. That system is gone. That system is in the past and will never come back ever again. It's crumbling right before our eyes. The banks will be scrambling. The institutions will be scrambling, and they will look into DeFi. DeFi will be the future. Decentralized finance, and a project like Tonic will carve out a huge market share, because like I said, it is one of the unique DeFi projects in the space, a part of the Cronos ecosystem. And when Crow is hitting parabola, Tonic will hit parabola as well. There's gonna be so many people that, you know, sign up to crypto.com and see all those zeros on Tonic. They'll see all these zeros. There's so many zeros. I could get so much gains from Tonic, and trust me, they won't be wrong. But they'll be buying when, you know, it's already being sent. You know, they'll be buying when it's already 200x, right? And like I said, if you're buying right now, you are smart. You're one of these smart people, guys. You're gonna look like a genius and a superstar come the next bull cycle. Okay. If you do a quick Google search, Binance Tectonic, right at the top, the first thing that pops up, the Tectonic chart being tracked by Binance. Now, a lot of people think, oh, it's impossible, they'll never list Tectonic, it could never happen. Always expect the unexpected in crypto. Anything is possible in crypto. And say a catalyst like Binance happen while we're in the bull market and everything is being sent, Tonic is being sent to crazy level, that's when we get to them 300, 400x levels, guys. That's when we see that crazy amount of upside. And I'm constantly on Binance doing spot trades, and a lot of the projects that are on Binance are DeFi projects. They have so many DeFi projects on their exchange, you know. I go through it constantly all the time. Like here's a few, for example, not to mention other projects in this video, in a Tonic video, but Beta Finance, Bondbridge, Wing Finance. There's so many DeFi projects on Binance. Tonic is one of the most unique DeFi projects with so much. We got to take a look at DeFi Llama as well to show you guys the TVL. But with so much TVL, Tonic, you can't rule out a Binance listing for Tonic. And with that, expect those crazy, insane, parabolic gains in the future. It'd be perfect if a listing like that happens during the bull, so that catalyst compounds on itself and just, you know, makes the project grows to absolutely insane levels that a lot of people would have never dreamed of happening, right? Look at the TVL for Tonic on DeFi Llama, guys. $158.96 million in TVL total value locked, lending and compounding platform, DeFi platform, cross-chain money market, passive yield, accessing instant backed loans. This TVL is better than some of the, you know, top blockchains in the space that a lot of people, you know, love. There's a lot of blockchains out there that have close to or even less than this amount of TVL that Tonic has. You know, you can't rule out a project like this absolutely crushing it in the future. Institutions, the bankers, they love a project like Tonic. Instant backed loans, those huge institutional hedge funds being able to access instant backed loans. They don't have to wait for the banks that take forever. They don't have to wait until it's approved. Instant means right away. Bank backed loans, guys. Institutions, stock market money, the bankers, they love a project like this. Institutional adoption for Tonic, we haven't spoken about that. Maybe I'll speak about that in another video. But yeah, that is also something you can't rule out for such a great project, guys. And if we hop over to the Cronos Explorer, have a more detailed look, you'll see there's 36,466 addresses that have Tonic, and this number just keeps increasing constantly. Now, to access the Cronos Explorer, you come to CoinMarketCap, hit Explorers, and then it takes you right to this page right here. And there's so many transfers that are happening constantly, every few minutes, guys, all the time. So many token transfers that are taking place. The interaction for Tonic is always there. It's not a dead project. It's not a project, you know, that because of the bear market has completely, you know, ceased inactiveness. You know, it's always active. There's always things going on. The community is always there. You guys also support content creators a whole lot, which will help the project in the future. The more and more content creators that join the Tonic fam, the Crow fam, the better for the project at large, right? So this is very bullish stuff for Tonic. You know, I can't wait for when the market finally turns around and we enter a bull market. We go into the craziest blow off top in the future. Thank you so much, Tonic fam, for tuning into the video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Really helps the channel out and could, you know, get it out there to new people could find out about Tonic, right? If this is your first time hearing about Tonic, let me get your thoughts down in the comment section. What do you think of the project? Everything Tonic and myself will be down in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.